Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can play Spotify and YouTube at the same time. So first you need to open up your Spotify. After you open up your Spotify, you can play any random song you want from inside your Spotify app. So let me play a random song over here from my Spotify app. So I will just play Best Of by Justin Bieber, and I will just turn this audio off for like copyright reason. So I'm starting to play music on Spotify. Now what I can do is open YouTube and start playing random video on YouTube as well, just like this. And my Spotify is playing and my YouTube is running at the same time. Now, playing audio from Spotify and YouTube at the same time is only going to work on your PC. So if you're trying to do the same thing on your mobile, it's not going to work because your PC allows multiple, apps to use the audio function or the audio device of your laptop or your PC. But the mobile, the system is a bit different. In mobile, only one app can use your audio at one time. So if you're opening YouTube, then only YouTube can use your audio. And if you turn on Spotify, then only Spotify can use your audio, which means your speaker on your phone. Your YouTube and your Spotify cannot use the audio at the same time on your mobile. So it's impossible, all right? And if somebody says download this app, that app, then don't follow them. They're probably just trying to hack your mobile or steal your password of your Spotify and YouTube. So don't do that because it's not possible on your mobile phone. It's only possible on your PC, and I've showed you how you guys can do it on your PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.